Toyota just gave the 2026 RAV4 a tech makeover that could leave rival SUVs in a dust. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The all-new RAV4 isn't just a ride, it's a rolling command center packed with next-gen infotainment designed to put drivers in complete control. The centerpiece is Toyota's enhanced audio multimedia system, which is now running on automotive-grade Linux with the Arene software kit, and it's packing a built-in 5G connectivity by AT&T. The result is lightning-fast responses, crisp graphics on a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen, and a fully customizable interface that feels more smartphone than a car. Even multiple widgets from navigation to drive modes let drivers tailor their dashboard like never before. Voice commands get a major upgrade too. Now, just saying "Hey Toyota" will actually let drivers adjust volume, check trip info, or navigate without taking their hands off the wheel. Even the digital gauge cluster can now display turn-by-turn navigation, so the important info stays right in front of the driver. Even the plug-in hyper fans get extra perks too. The new EV domain in the system now allows total control over charging schedules, limits, and EV routing for road trips, making battery anxiety almost a thing from the past. Dashcam functionality is built in, recording clips automatically or manually without any third-party app. Looks like now Toyota's moving towards software-driven vehicles, and if the 2026 RAV4 lives up to the hype, this could be the SUV that finally makes Toyota a tech titan in the automotive industry. Are you waiting for its launch now? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.